Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating compatibility. Check iOS 14 or later and free storage. Once confirmed, install only Way from the App Store and grant permissions for widgets and notifications. Make sure to accept the launcher as a home alternative where prompted. Next, create a minimal layout. Pick 3 or 4 essential apps and add a single widget slot. This quick setup removes clutter and primes the launcher for the configuration steps that follow. Once done with installation, open only Way's main settings and adjust the grid size and icon scale so icons are evenly spaced and readable. Then add your primary widget, configure refresh intervals, and assign a tap action to open an app or shortcut. Make sure to map gestures, single tap for open, long press for quick actions, and swipe up for the app drawer, because gestures speed navigation. Finally, organize apps into folders. You finish by exporting the launcher settings to back up your layout in case you need to roll back. Next, test performance. Navigate several screens, observe animation smoothness and battery usage, and confirm widgets update at expected intervals. If something goes wrong, icons missing, gestures failing, clear the only Way cache or uninstall, then reinstall the app. After reinstall, import your saved settings. If problems persist, reduce active widgets and reevaluate permissions to ensure smooth, consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.